How to get VEO3 for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for Google One and open up the very first link that you will see over here, and this is where it will take you. Now simply scroll down and you would see that it is asking for the money, but don't do that. Simply select this option of Google AI on the top and this will take you over here. And when we scroll down this time, you would see that you can try Google AI Pro for 1 month at no charge, and all you need is just your Gmail ID. So simply click over here, and after that you can see that it is for free, absolutely free, no amount that you need to pay. Simply check out what the different apps that you will be getting with this Pro plan. You would be getting Gemini app, you would get Flow, Whisk, 1000 monthly AI credits, Notebook LM, and all sort of different things, and 2 TB total storage as well. Simply select this option of Get Google AI Pro, and after that it will ask you for a payment method. Simply select any payment method, but also make sure that right after you get it for free, cancel your auto pay of the payment method that you just selected. This way you would avoid automatic payment or any deduction of payment from your payment method, and this way you would be getting it for free quite easily. After that, open up Google again and search for Google Vids. Then open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. Now over here, simply select this option of sign in to Vids. Now select the same email ID that you used while getting the free Google One account, and voila, you would be able to sign into this account and simply close it up. And here you get VEO, select it, provide the prompt, and VEO 3.1 model will help you generate different videos for free, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.